5 seconds on the first quarter. Number 5, caution number 12, taking 3. No good. Small daddy ball. Number 0, you have 3 points. Number 0, 3 points. 7 minutes and 28 seconds on the first quarter. Cardano, nasa sa 25. Pass record, number 23. Still number 0, number 0. Nakuha, pinasa number 5, Lea. No good. Rebound to number 25, San Pedro. San Pedro dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Cardano. Cardano,
Rapid violation.
6 minutes and 59 seconds to play. Number 5. Number. I see the number. Same ball. Number 12, Coach Philip. Salok to number 38. Number 38. Wow. Oh, number. Number 3, Cardano. Cardano.
Penalty.
First personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 40 seconds shot clock. Number 5, 2 points. Sacro number 2 points. Ang score po natin 5-6. Favor of Team Pura. 25. The 3 points, no good. Number 25 of outside. 6 minutes to play. 6 minutes. Inbound, pinasa 38. Pinalagay Coach Philip, number 12. Number 12, number 12. Number 12 po. Save ball. 5 minutes and 40 seconds on the first quarter. Coach Philip. Ako na number 0. 3 points, no good. Rebound by Cardano. San Pedro. It's still number 0. Number 0, number 0. Number 0. Save ball. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay, next up, kanya. Up. After. Deadlock. Wala na tayo mag-mandatory. Okay, mandatory timeout. Case player tayo. Case player. 76, Small Daddy. Pumasok na po si Gosun. Pumasok na si Bonsi Pipino. Bonsi, takit tayo. Takin! Gosun, takin tayo! Para magkatintingan. Takin tayo, matigas ulo. Number 25, Gosun. Gosun, nagbabalik sa ito. Kaya po, pinasa ng Coach Philip. Na 3 points no good na po ni Matthew. Pinasa sa number 13, Diray. Pinasa by number 14. Taking 2 points no good na po ni number 3. Number 25, Gosun. Laging po ni Gosun. Ginagawa ni Gosun. Number 0. Nag-layout no good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Number 0. Akala niya, kakampi niya. Coach Philip. Coach Philip, gumagawa ng play. Coach Philip, pinasa kay Coach Pipito. Motes. No good. Ako na number 3. Coach Philip. Oh, wow. Who's ball rep? Number 31, first personal foul, second team foul. Third team foul ng Team Mura. Number 12, first row. Ang oras natin, 3 minutes and 42 seconds on the first quarter. Number 12, first shot, good. Second shot, nag-rebound tayo. Good shot for number 12. Ang score, 9-8 in favor of Small Daddy. Number 11, pinasa kay number 14. Number 14. I still in 25, stay ball. Oras, 3 minutes and 20 seconds on the first quarter. Number 11, pinasa na number 13. Number 13, easy by number 13. Number 13. Oh, pinasa na number 3. Number 3, right foul. Who's ball red? Number 26, holding foul. First personal foul, number 26. First team foul of Team Small Daddy. 10 seconds left now. Points by number 14. Go soon. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Nag-drive si Gosun. Logo, nalibang na number 3. Number 3, pinasa kay number 11. Number 11, nag-drive. Logo, down on it, Montes. Montes, pinasa kay number 12. Coach Philip, pinasa kay Gosun. Logo, pinasa kay number 0. Number 0. Nice to number 3. Number 13. Number 12, Coach Philip. Coach Philip, first personal foul. Bonus, free throw, 2 free throw to number 13. First throw ni Binay, good shot. 1 point. Second throw naman, tumako ni Coach Philip. Gosun, nako ni Gosun. Number 0, pinasa number 12. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala. Good. Pass break sa number 11. Number 11. Drive off. Nako ni Gosun, number 25. Number 25, pinasa number 0. Number 0, taking 3 points. So, matako na natin. Number 31. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Number 31, nag-drive. Easy 2 points for number 31. 1 minute and 30 seconds to play on the first quarter. Ang score po natin ay 9-30 in favor of Team Mura. 0, binigay kay number 26, number 26 to number 12, to number 25, number 25, taking 3, team right, 2 points for number 25. 1 minute and 10 seconds to play. 1 minute and 10 seconds to play. 14 seconds shot clock. 19 number 25, pinasa sa number 0. Number 0. Pinasa sa number 17. Number 17, traveling. 50 seconds to play. Running tayo. Running time tayo. 50 seconds to play. Number 11. Dribbling the ball. 40 seconds to play. 14 seconds shot clock. Pinasa kay Matu. Easy 2 points for number 31. 30 seconds to play. Ang score po natin ay 15 seconds. Kiray. First row. Score Kiray. 16-11 ang score. 4 seconds to play. Second row ni Kiray. Nakuha. Nakuha ni Boso. Ginamit. One. Up. Okay, no. Ang score pa namin, 16-11. In favor of Yellow Team, Team Kura.